Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can move layers in a section of your Wix website. So let us dive into this. So guys, in 2026 it works the following way. Navigate to the Wix website editor, select the page in the top left. I will go off the About Us page for this example website project. And here guys, navigate through your page to the given section. So you may access the layer menu either by clicking into this button in the bottom left or by hovering the mouse over the section and choosing this option to the right, section layers. Click into it and you will see the layers only for the given section, but you can also get to the get redirected to the all layers menu here for the entire page. I will go with only that section layer here. So what you'll need to do guys is click into the given layer, hold your left mouse and move it to a new position. Like for example, if I move that PDF button here to the top, the layer will be on top, as you can see. And that's how it works. That's how you can organize your layers only on a given section. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.